Hi! In this video, we will be learning about chemical safety and why understanding it is so important. So let's start. What is chemical safety? Chemical safety means handling chemicals in ways that protect people, property, and the environment. That includes how we store them, how we use them, how we clean up, and how we get rid of them. It matters in schools and hospitals, on farms and in factories, in workshops and offices, anywhere chemicals show up. Now let's talk about what we can do to ensure chemical safety. 1. Spotting hazards. Different chemicals create different kinds of danger. Some catch fire easily. Some can burn skin or eyes. Some create harmful fumes, and some harm the environment. For example, a farm worker spraying pesticide without the right gloves may feel tingling skin and stinging eyes. What prevents these? Simple things. Read the GHS label first, look for the red diamond symbols, and check the safety data sheet, or SDS, for details like what not to mix, which gloves to wear, and whether you need extra ventilation. By checking the GHS label or SDS, we can easily spot if a chemical is hazardous or not. 2. Control or reduce risk. We can reduce risk in 5 steps known as the hierarchy of controls. Think about control in layers. 1. Eliminate. First ask, do we even need this chemical? If not, the safest option is to avoid it. Example, switch to mechanical cleaning instead of solvent wipe. 2. Substitute. If we do need it, can we switch to a safer version? Example, replace a strong acid cleaner with a milder formulation. 3. Engineering controls. If we can't use a safer version, can we separate people from the hazard with things like a fume hood, local exhaust, splash guards, or closed containers? Example, local exhaust, fume hoods, closed transfer systems, splash shields. 4. Administrative controls. Next, make work safer with training, clear labels, and easy-to-follow procedures. Example, scheduling high vapor tasks when fewer people are present. 5. PPE. Finally, wear the right protective equipment for the task, like gloves that resist the chemical, goggles or a face shield, a lab coat or apron, and a respirator if the SDS says so. Protective gear is important, but it works best when those other layers are already in place. Example, correct glove material, goggles, face shield, lab coat, charged apron, respirator if required. 3. Read the GHS label. On any container, find product identifier, the exact name or mixture, pictograms, red diamonds like flame, skull, corrosion, signal word, danger or warning, hazard statements, what can go wrong, precautionary statements, how to stay safe, supplier details, who to call. A spray bottle that has no label is a hazard by itself. Secondary containers must be labeled with the product name and hazards. 4. Use the SDS safety data sheet like a map. An SDS is the detailed guide that follows GHS rules and uses a standard 16-section format. Start with Section 2 for hazard identification through the pictograms, signal word, hazard statements given. Refer to Sections 7 to 8 for handling, storage, and PPE, letting you know how to set up the job and what to wear. Then Section 10 for stability and reactivity of the chemical-like temperatures or materials to avoid. And then refer to Section 4 for first aid and Section 6 for accidental release. These sections tell you what to do if something goes wrong. Finally, check Section 5 for firefighting measures like suitable extinguishers and special hazards. Quick rule. Label JIRA snapshot. SDS, JIRA full instructions. They should match. Meet SDS Manager, the all-in-one chemical safety platform. Manage, author, and access safety data sheets in one secure cloud-based platform, trusted by various industries. With features like auto updates, QR code access, and GHS label generation, it helps you stay compliant, reduce risk, and protect your people. Anywhere, anytime. Visit SDSmanager.com. 5. Plan the job, step by step. Before you start, confirm the chemical and concentration. Read the label. Check the SDS for PPE, ventilation, and incompatibilities. Set the workspace. Fume hood or good ventilation. Keep ignition sources away from flammables. Prepare controls. Spill kit, absorbents, neutralizers, waste container ready. Wear task-specific PPE. Correct gloves. Eye face protection, lab coat apron, respirator if required. 6. Storage that prevents problems. Store by hazard class. Flammables materials should be kept in a flammable cabinet, away from sparks, cheers heat. Corrosives should always be kept in low shelves in corrosion-resistant trays. Keep acids separate from bases. Oxidizers should be kept away from organics and fuels. Compressed gases should be capped, upright, and secured. Incompatible materials should use segregation charts from your program, SDS. An example of a hazard is a shelf holding bleach, vinegar, and ammonia together, which is a bad mix potential. Segregate and label clearly. 7. Waste and cleanup. Dispose by category. Solvents, acids, bases, oxidizers, sharps. Don't mix waste streams. Use compatible, closed, labeled containers. Never pour chemicals down the drain unless your program allows it for that specific product and concentration. 8. When something goes wrong. Follow the SDS to know what to do in case of exposure, spills, or fire. Immediately refer to the SDS of the chemicals to reduce the risk and mitigate the hazard. Chemical safety isn't about memorizing rules. It's about a few smart habits you use every time. When you do this, you prevent accidents, protect your health, and keep the environment safe. It is for everyone from custodial staff and teachers to mechanics and researchers. It's a culture that should be embedded in every workplace. With clear labels, a reliable SDS, and a few simple habits, you can work confidently and go home safe. We hope this video has helped you understand chemical safety and its importance. Thank you for watching and stay safe.